Incorrect stacking and positioning of refractory elements during storage can lead to uneven load distribution and deformation when the refractory, bricks or castables are not properly aligned. Local stress concentrations occur, which may result in early material degradation and reduced service life. Implement strict stacking protocols and designated support structures to maintain uniformity and preserve the integrity of the refractory components. Zhengzhou Highland Refractory Company Limited reminds, do not ignore the stacking standards when storing to ensure that every piece of material is in the best condition. Prevent problems before they happen.